Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Hoorain Nadeem, and I hope you are fine and well. So, guys, welcome back to day 2 of our 90-day English mastery journey together. In day 1, we learn how to use I'm used to versus I used to and upgraded our vocabulary words like swamped, crystal clear, exhausted, etc. If you missed day 1, don't worry. Make sure to check it out on the playlist on the channel so you get to know what we learned in the day 1. So tell me the comment box, are you excited for the day 2? Let's start our day 2. Today, for day 2, we are tackling one of the biggest secrets to sounding fluent and smooth. That is called pronunciation. You can know all the grammar in the world, but if your pronunciation isn't clear, people will struggle to understand what you're saying. So today, I'm gonna teach you golden value of native English, followed by 5 high-level advanced vocabulary words. And we will finish with a quick challenge that excites you. Let's dive straight into it. The core pronunciation rule: silent T and connected speech. Have you ever listened to the native speakers and felt like they talk way too fast? It's not that they're talking fast, it's that they connect their words together. Today, our focus is on the flap T and soft T sound. In natural spoken English, especially standard American Global English, when the letter T comes between two vowel sounds, native speakers don't pronounce an hard T, sound like T or T. Instead, it softens into D sound, into quick D sound. Let me explain with you some examples. Like, we say this word like water, but actually it sounds like water. The sound T turns into D. Other example is batter. We say it batter, but in actually it sounds like batter. The sound D sound, right? Another example is computer. We say it like computer, but in natural sound is computer. What we hit? D sound, right? D sound. We say city, but in actual it's city. Let's go to city. Repeat after me out aloud right now to practice your pronunciation of T and D. Don't say this: I need a bottle of water. Instead of you say, I need a bottle of water, right? I need a bottle of water. Like T converts into D. Just changing that single T sound will instantly make your sound 10x more natural and fluid. When you watch English movies, you also heard these T sounds into D sound, right? So I hope you learn this pronunciation very well. If you want to learn vocabulary words, so please do like, share with your friends and subscribe and press the notification button quickly, please. Now let's begin towards the vocabulary words. Now let's build your word power. Here are 5 high-level advanced vocabulary words to substitute for basic English words today, and that actually improves your English and you can easily speak English with fluency. Let's start. So, are you excited? So the first word is reluctant. Reluctant. It's an adjective. So the basic alternative of this word is unwilling or hesitant. So it actually means that not wanting to do something or feeling unsure about it. For example, he was reluctant to speak English at first, but now he practices every day. Next word is overwhelmed. I think so you heard this word. It's also an adjective. So the basic alternative for this word is too stressed, feeling too much pressure. So it actually means that feeling completely overcome by emotions or too much work, right? So the example of this word is don't feel overwhelmed by grammar. Take it one day at a time. Next word is impeccable. Impeccable. What's impeccable? It is also an adjective. So the basic alternative, like simple meaning, is that perfect or without any mistakes. So the real meaning of that is faultless or flawless and the highest standard. So the sentence for this, her English pronunciation is getting impeccable, right? So the next word is accomplish. Accomplish. It's a verb. It's an verb. So the basic alternative is to finish, to achieve something, right? So it actually means that to successfully complete a task or a goal, right? So the sentence is in these 90 days, we are going to accomplish huge progress. On this point, please subscribe. Next word is effortless. Effortless. Guys, tell me, is this an adjective or a verb? So the basic alternative for this word is very easy. Very easy. It actually means that requiring no physical or mental effort because you are so good at it. So the example is with daily practice, speaking English will become effortless. So, guys, I hope you also learned these 5 high advanced vocabulary words and I hope you also like them. So, let's review what we mastered in day 2. We learned the soft T pronunciation rule. Instead of saying water, say water. Water. Give me water. Instead of saying city, you say city. Let's go to city. We unlocked 5 high-level advanced vocabulary words that you can use in your daily life to improve your speaking, like reluctant, overwhelmed, accomplish, effortless, and impeccable. Now, guys, it's time for a challenge for you. Down in the comment box below, write one sentence using vocabulary words that we learned today, like reluctant, overwhelmed, effortless, impeccable, or accomplish. You can use any of one word. For the pronunciation, you should record yourself reading any of sentence that is converting T sound into D sound. And you should practice pronunciation every day. So I'll be checking the commands and correcting your sentences. So this is our day 2 and I hope you really enjoyed that too and you learned the vocabulary words and pronunciation. And guys, if you don't watch the first video, so I will give you the link of that. You can watch those video after this video. So please do like, share with your family and subscribe and press the notification button so you can get the link of day 3. And I love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.